In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to sell stocks or crypto inside of Etoro. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to etoro.com and then sign into your account. Now once from here, it should bring you something like this. Now from here you'll need to go head over to the left hand corner and go over to the portfolio section, where you'll be able to see an overview of all of your different positions. Now from here you'll need to find a specific stock or crypto and dice that you want to sell, and let's just click Bitcoin right here, and as you can see I have a buy order set right here, and to sell it you'll simply need to go over here and click close. If you have several buy or sell orders, you will also be able to click close all to close all of your positions inside of the Bitcoin right here. Once from here you'll simply need to click close, and now from here you can see the total return, close only part of the trade, where you can select a specific part of the trade that you want to close, or you can just close everything and click close trade like so. And as you can see, order filled right here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See you.